of you. Today we discuss on the 15th shloka of chapter 1st of Bhagavad Gita combined with 7 habits. Yoga hai karmeshu koshlam. Gita says and Stephen R. Covey says you do work proactively. Lord Krishna take responsibility of resounding of Panchjanya council. So let's start and get ready to become more proactive and responsible.
Welcome to all of you. We start now 15th sloka of chapter 1st under project of Bhagavad Gita 700 days coupled with 707 habits of highly effective people as a mission. We will complete this journey in 700 days. Okay, now I extend my thanks to Anjali ma'am for inviting me, and I also thanks to Rajesh for making support digital and PPT making purposes. Okay, now we start 15th sloka. This is very important sloka because in this there is a direct answer to the roaring sound of Korvaj as a conch shell. Okay, resounding voice, they were raised. Now Lord Krishna himself as a head giving the answer with his Panchjanya. Okay, Panchjanya is console of Lord Krishna and followed by Devdutt. Devdutt is the console of Arjun, and then Pondra. Pondra is the console of Bhim. These three were the warriors. Lord Krishna is the warrior most, and he headed this resounding competition. Okay, now you see that we are having 700 days Bhagavad Gita wisdom and 7 habits mission. Yoga karmsu koslam, and be proactive and excellent. You become excellent, significant, prosperous and glorious. Chapter 1st, sloka 15. Panchjanyam Rishikeso Devdatta Dhananjay Pondram Tadmau Mahasankha Bhim Karma Vakodare. There are the 3 people. First Lord Krishna, second Arjun, and then Bhim. Tino blew their conch shell, their Sankh, and Jabardast Sankhnad was done. Okay? What happened with this? Due to this Sankhnad, roaring Sankhnad, Dhritarashtra sons of the Dhritarashtra became heart failing and they trembled by this resounding voice. Okay, so this is important. What is important? Where is the Lord Krishna? Win is there, winning is there, victory is there. Where the Lord Krishna is, Lord Krishna in the side of Pandava, so victory is there. Or this was known to Bhishma Pitame already. So he told Duryodhan ki I am with you, but victory is with the Pandavas, because Lord Krishna is Pandavas, religion is with Pandavas, sacred is with Pandavas. Okay, so what is the teaching of this? What is the teaching? This is the teaching. First, loud pandemonium is needed for the victory. Okay, Lord Krishna took the advantage of this and he blew his Panchjanya, and then Arjun followed this through Devdutt, and Bhim followed this Pondra. These were the conch shell, Sankhnaad. इन्हीं भाषा में इनका उत्तर दिया. भीष्म पितामह ने जब शेर की तरह दहाड़ा, उसी तरह से भगवान कृष्ण ने उससे सवाई तेज आवाज में अपना पांचजन्य शंख बजाया. और इससे ये यथार्थ अर्थ निकलता है क्या कि अगर आपको किसी भी दुश्मन को हराना है तो उसकी हर एक्टिविटी से आपको अपनी सवाई एक्टिविटी रखनी होगी. ओके, तो ये भीष्म पितामह ने जो दुर्योधन को खुश किया अपना शंख बजा करके तेज गति से, तो पांडवों ने अपना शंख बजाना आरंभ किया और अगुवाई की भगवान कृष्ण ने. उसके बाद में अर्जुन ने अपना शंख बजाया और उसके बाद में जो है उन्हें. और व्हाट इज द नीड, व्हाट इज द टीचिंग ऑफ दिस, व्हाट इज द टीचिंग ऑफ दिस भगवत गीता? that first Lord Krishna took the leadership. One should have leadership. One should have initiative. One should have responsibility. This is all needed for a leader. Lord Krishna was a leader there. Okay? And then Arjun and Bhim followed him. All other peoples follow. Leader should take initiative, other will follow automatically. And then leaders should take initiative, okay? Other people follow. This is so what is the teaching? Real teaching of this? Real teaching is this, that we should have courage to resound voice better than, more than, greater than the enemy's voice. Okay? Lord Krishna gave this teaching to Arjun, Bhim and other Pandavas, that there should be a competition in resounding voice of console. So we should win over here. Okay? So Lord Krishna took in hand the initiative and then started resounding their consoles. ये जो भगवत गीता की जो शिक्षा है, ये प्रमुख ये कहती है कि जहाँ कहीं भी कोई आपस में जहाँ कंपटीशन हो, वहाँ हर मोर्चे पर अपने को सवाई शक्ति का प्रदर्शन करना जरूरी है, और इसके लिए अपने को अपना जो उच्चस्थ अधिकारी है, घर में जो सबसे बड़ा व्यक्ति है, उसको ये अपने को जिम्मेदारी देनी चाहिए. जैसे कि कौरवों की ओर से जिम्मेदारी ली भीष्म पितामह ने, पांडवों की ओर से जिम्मेदारी उठाई किसने? लॉर्ड कृष्णा ने. थैंक यू वेरी मच. यू यूज दिस. मैंने जो बताई है ये भगवत गीता की बातें सिर्फ सुनने के लिए नहीं है, इन पर मनन कीजिए और फिर जीवन में उतारिए. जो व्यक्ति जीवन में उतार लेगा वो निहाल हो जाएगा, और जो सिर्फ सुन लेगा, तो सुनते तो बहुत लोग आए हैं, 40-40 सालों से लोग यानी गीता पढ़ रहे हैं, पर गीता जब अंदर जाएगी और जब उसकी शिक्षाओं पे पालन करोगे तब आपके जीवन को परिवर्तन कर देगी, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Welcome to all. I am Anju Jangit, Project Director, Team 360. The discourse on today about 15 shlok of first chapter, Marvelous. The combination of Bhagavad Gita and 7 habit is beautifully explained by respected DD sir. Now I extend my thanks to all. We will see in the next discourse. I wish you all bright future. Thank you.